What happens when coffee is infused with powerful mushrooms? There's already a big craze in coffee culture about it. That's why we did some research and got to test the Wonder drink ourselves. Let's dig in. Seattle is one of my favorite places. It's perfect for me because I love coffee. And from the locally born Starbucks to the thousands of cozy cafes, it's truly a coffee lover's paradise here. I even learned while researching for this project that the average Seattleite spends $36 on coffee drinks every month. That's a lot. Well, there's a new coffee trend here that I can't wait to try out. It promises to satisfy Java junkies and holistic health nuts alike. I'm going to its central spot here to talk with one of the pioneers of this promising trend and learn more about it.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Jody. Basically, we are taking the most ritualistic and enjoyed beverage in the world, coffee, and we are adding adaptogenic mushroom concentrated extracts to them. These are mushrooms that have benefit, they're adaptogens.
Adaptogen, noun, in herbal medicine, a natural substance considered to help the body adapt to stress.
We have two flagship products. One is called Brainchild. That has lion's mane. Combine it with cordyceps. Our other product is Hocus Pocus. We use reishi and chaga in that.
Reishi, lion's mane, cordyceps, chaga. Their names sound new to us. Cordyceps grows in warmer climates on dirt. The others, like reishi, grow in warmer climates too, but on wood. These mushrooms can also be grown in a factory like this, then exported around the world. Together, these mushrooms are known to provide stress relief, improve memory and focus, energy and immune support, and cell repair and longevity. Amazing!
In the new normal of heightened stress, caffeine actually can make us anxious, it can make us jittery, it can make us distracted. We already do it every day. Adaptogens are best taken every day. Put it in your coffee, check it off the list.
All right, I'm leaving now. I'm very excited to see what happens as I drink more. To see if it makes any difference, I'm gonna test mushroom coffee myself for 10 days straight. Here's the goods. I have the Hocus Pocus, Brainchild, and Dream Supply. I got the instant kind because I'm on vacation and yeah, I'm not gonna be home all the time. So this is really day one, coffee one. I don't know what to expect at all. It smells good. Okay, it's really hot. So you can hang out with me while we let it cool a bit. Now, hopefully it's cool enough. Don't sense the mushrooms at all. I almost sense something though, but I feel like it's a feeling. Like the way it lands on your stomach or something. It's like, have you ever taken medication on an empty stomach? I haven't had any breakfast, so maybe that's part of this, but like, it just kind of, you feel it landing in an empty space, I guess. Okay, I got the first sips, opened the package. It's good. I'm going to take 3 servings a day of WUNDERGROUND's instant coffee and tea for 10 days. I want to see if I notice any of these supposed benefits. It is day 6. I've been traveling, visiting people, going out, staying in. Can't say I've noticed a particular change in my mood. I've been sleeping really well, deeply. It's been easier falling asleep. And we'll see how I feel once I finish all 3 boxes. P.S. Mushrooms have been a significant part of Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years. The mushroom reishi is even named the mushroom of immortality in Chinese. Immortality? I'll take it. Now, back to the test. Hello! Today is it. It's my last day. I gotta say, overall, sleep has improved. As far as the memory and focus, I'm not so sure. I haven't really put it to the test, and it also has only been 10 days. What I've been reading is that to feel the effects of these things, it's usually around 4 weeks when someone can really notice the changes. Anyway, I find it tasty, and I think that if you want to take mushroom supplements, which are already proven to work, that taking them via coffee or tea is a great way. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.